I'm back again with another bracelet that I'm doing with the same exact beads, but just a different tone to it. So again, this one has the same dark purple. These are 6 millimeter and then 4 millimeter crackled bicones. And I have it separated here, trying to get that in the middle for the most part. And then I'm just dropping a bicone in between. Okay. As you can see, a bicone. And let me get a couple more bicones off of here. And again, I'm going to start at the stone which has the largest hole, which is going to be in between these two. Because as you can see, these two beads here have large holes in them. So I'm going to pick up this bead here first. And I'm going to go down with it. And I'm going to start picking up these. And as you can see, pick up a bicone. A bead. A bicone. A bead. And a bicone. And you continue that. You can do this with any type of beads that you want. These are beads that I find from various stores. My local Michael's, Hobby Lobbies, Joann's, even sometimes at Walmart. I try to catch some of their beads there. They're similar, almost pricey, because you get just maybe 4 or 5 beads for $1. But a lot of times they are very different and unique within themselves, and you only see maybe 1 or 2 packages of them while you're there. So I try to buy from a wide variety. I also get my seed beads from Bobby Beads Wholesale. Give a shout out to them. I've always been able to get my, and they only sell Tohos. So for my seed beads, for a lot of the projects that I do, they do the Toho beads. And those beads, they fit so very well when I'm doing certain projects, like the Kumahimo, or if I need to have them to be used as just spacer beads. They are very unique, and they all are the same size. That's one thing I like about them. Other than the regular seed beads that you would buy, and you have to search through and try to pick out which ones are similar in size, because they have a lot of irregular beads in them. But the Toho beads are all the same. The Mayuki beads are all the same. But I love the Toho beads. So now that I'm at the end, again, I'm going to come on around, pull it all the way up to where I can tie it off. Again, I'm going to tie it off into a knot. Tie my double knot. You can see, and see it's hidden. But I do 2 just so, and I will glue, put a little dab, just a dab of glue on the knot to hold it together. And as you can see, there it is. There it is. There it is. Very simple, straightforward, to the point. Something that you can wear anywhere. And every day if you choose. Every day if you choose. So that's just the 3 of the items that you can make using ceramic beads and the acrylic beads as well as bicone. And these are like a plastic bead. So these are 8 millimeters, 6 millimeter, and then 4 millimeter bicones. So as you can see, 1 pack of bead make 3 different bracelets. Well, really 4 packs of beads make 3 different bracelets. So again, stay tuned to our channel. We'll have more coming as they speak. So thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to subscribe to Addison Beaded Jewelry, ABJ, all day, every day. We are simple but beautiful. Thank you.